Hello, I am Flash Isaac, and you are welcome to the Flash Learner series, where we solve past and likely questions for your examination. And at the end of this series, your life will never remain the same because I shall be releasing a whole lot of episodes. In this series, I will be making use of the Flash Learners application. Simply visit Google Play Store or flashlearners.com to install the app. Are you watching on YouTube? I've shared the link to both the mobile and desktop app below. Download and let us begin. The part of the cell phone that displays readable information is simply the display or the screen. The following are properties of ceramics, except ceramics is brittle, it is corrosive, corrosion resistant, it can be used as insulator, it is non-magnetic. But ceramics are not elastic. Elastic means ability to be stretched for a long time. So that is not a property of ceramics. So brittleness, corrosion resistance, insulation, and non-magnetic are properties of ceramics, except elasticity. And the part of the building which is usually below the ground is referred to as foundation. Before any building, you need to dig below the ground, lay some block, pour concrete, and make sure it is solid before you work on the upper part of the building. That part below the ground is referred to as foundation of the building. The part in which current flows to and from a battery is referred to as circuit. Immediately you hear part, the part in which a current flow is referred to as circuit. And we have open circuit and closed circuit. In the closed circuit, current is flowing, but in open circuit, current is not flowing. A body moving down the hill possesses dash. Remember, energy is the ability or capacity to do work. When you are moving, energy due to motion or due to movement is referred to as kinetic energy. Energy due to position or due to height is referred to as potential energy. Now, a body moving down the hill, the body is moving. So therefore, the body possesses kinetic energy. But due to height, it possesses potential energy. If it were not moving, if it were just raised high, it will possess potential energy due to its position. But since there is a movement, kinetic energy is correct. Then, the figure below is simply a bench hook. That is the figure below. And use the building plan below to answer this question. What is the part labeled A? When you look at the part labeled A, it is simply an opening in the wall. As you can see, you have the wall and there is opening. An opening in the wall is simply referred to as window. It allows air to come in. And the tool shown below is a tri-square. It is used to check and mark right angles in constructional work. Tri-square to check and mark right angles in constructional work. Which of the following appliances convert mechanical energy to electrical energy? This has to do with energy conversion. This appliance, when it's working, you will see light here or electricity. Electrical energy. So which means you can charge your phone, watch TV, play music, put on your freezer. So what is this thing that when you from the thing you get electricity? What can it be called? It is not a blender, it is not fan, it is not radio, it is not toaster, it is simply generator. Generator is a mechanical device, so it converts mechanical energy. In generator, you see a moving part. So at the end, as it spins, EMF is induced. You see the armature. Remember, when there's relative motion, okay, that is advanced anyway, but EMF is induced. So mechanical energy is being changed to electrical energy. And in the generator, you have the armature, you have the engine, the piston, the moving part, you have the carburetor. So fuel moves from the tank to the carburetor, and you see the fuel is being mixed and is being burned. The oil is used to lubricate, to reduce friction between the moving part. So it is simply generator. The opposite of generator is electric motor. Electric motor converts electrical energy to mechanical energy for work. And solid panel door is best used in main entrance. The function of lubrication in machines is to reduce friction. As if I knew. In machines, you have moving parts, so you need to put oil constantly in your machine so that the way the moving parts touch each other will reduce. Otherwise, there will be so much wear and tear in the moving part. So to reduce friction, you therefore need to oil your gen. If you don't put oil in your gen regularly, the engine will knock, even in your car. That's where you hear that the engine has knocked too, because there's not enough oil for lubrication. And the ability of an oil to resist flow is referred to as viscosity. That thickness of oil or liquid, we say it is viscous. It is due to internal friction between that liquid. A quadrilateral that has its opposite sides equal and its angle not at 90 degrees is parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two equal but opposite sides. It should be noted that none of the angles of a parallelogram is 90, which means there is no right angle in parallelogram. Treatment given to sustain a patient before the arrival of a doctor is first aid. And which of the following is not a type of gel? Bevel, pinion, rat, and spore are parts of gel, are types of gel, except clutch. Clutch is not a gel. Clutch is used to disengage the gel. And the diagram shown below is a driving tool. This is a spanner used to drive nuts inside. So it is a driving tool. Boring tools are used to drill holes. Cutting tools are used to cut. Finishing tools are used to make the surface smooth. For example, your chair, your bed, you see that it is very smooth. Even here is smooth. So it is as a result of finishing, to smoothing or polish the surface. So driving is what this guy is used for. The movement of piston in an engine is referred to as dash motion. Motion is change in position of a body or of an object with time. In engine, piston, it moves to and fro. Pa, 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 pa. And remember, in motion, the to and fro motion of the body is referred to as oscillatory motion. In fact, the movement of a pendulum bob as it swings to and fro, that is oscillation motion. Linear motion is the movement of a body in a straight line. Rotational motion is the movement of a body about an axis. For example, your car tire, you see that middle, that is the axis. The tire moves about the axis. Then fan, you see your fan blade. So the movement of the blade about this fixed axis, this one is switched, the one is moving around it, is referred to as rotational motion. Then there is a difference between rotational motion and circular motion. For example, the rotation of a fan about its axis here is rotational motion, but the movement of the blade is referred to as circular motion. The carbon content in medium carbon steel is from 0.3 to 0.5%. That is the carbon content. In fact, it can be 0.2 or 0.4 to that amount. That is the carbon content in medium carbon steel. Welcome back and thank you for watching this episode of the series. Feel free to check out the other episodes. Subscribe so you don't miss out any video, and feel free to tell your friends about this. Thank you.